Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to collaborate on your Trello board? In this video, you will learn how to easily add members to your Trello board and start working together efficiently. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, adding members to your Trello board is very important, and it is one of the main points of Trello, is basically to have a workspace between all of your coworkers or team or basically your friends. So if you couldn't invite people, well, what's the point of it? That's the real question, yeah? So here in this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can invite people. Well, first of all, when you open Trello for the first time, this is the page where how it's gonna look like. So here on this menu on the widget, you will find like the workspaces that you have. Now, normally, in case you had like a premium version, well, you will have a list full of workspaces. But in my case, I have only normal accounts, not a premium account. Then I should only have one, as you can see right here. As you can see, after I clicked on my workspace, I had a couple of options: boards, highlights, views, members, and settings. In case I would like to invite any member, then I should click on members. After clicking on members, this page will open for you. Here on the top, you will find the name of your workspace. If you went to the right a little bit, you will find a big blue button. Make sure to click on it. After you do so, this window will open for you. Now, all that is left to do is to invite your friend, or basically your coworker or teammate. So that's what I'm gonna do exactly. I'm gonna grab an email real quick. Let's go with this one, and I'm gonna copy this and gonna paste it right here. I'm gonna send the invite, and as you can see, the member has been added. Here it is. Now, this member has been added to the workspace. You could prevent the member from getting the access to all boards. Maybe your workspace is by your company name. For example, let's name it, for example, Tesla. Now, Tesla doesn't have only one project going on. It has cars, it has a variety of trucks, it has like the SpaceX, it has a lot of things like rocket ships. It has a lot of product that they are basically making. So there is not only one team. In this case, there will be a lot of boards, a lot of projects going on. So how can you only invite people to a specific project? So only, for example, the cars team will be connected to the cars projects board. Well, that's case, then you have to open your workspace and head up to your boards. Just like that. Now I am on my board. Here you will find the list of all the boards that are available for you. Now for me, I'm gonna go with YouTube video, for example. I'm gonna click on it, and here, as you can see, I will invite a person to have the access not to the workspace in general, but more to the board. So he couldn't get the access to the other boards in my workspace. To do so, I'm gonna click right here on the share button. This will allow me to add the member email address and click on invite. So let's do this. As you can see, after that, I will click on enter, and basically I will be able to share or basically invite this person. Let's do that. As you can see, here is the board members. So I have myself, and here the second account, which is the new member which we have invited. You can prevent yourself from inviting people this way by adding an email, which is simply by creating a link. This link will allow you not to have to connect to Trello each time you try to invite a person. Simply create the link and basically copy it and send it to whatever person you want them to have the access. You can change the permission of the link so it can only have specific things and permissions to do within the board. You can make it more detailed if you had the upgraded version. So make sure to do that as well in case you were professional and having a big team. Now, there is something that you have to notice is once you go to your workspace, let me just go to this one. And as you can see, if I went to members and I try to kick somebody, like the second account that I have invited, let me just remove it like that, I will have this message. There is two things. There is remove from workspace, remove all access to the workspace. The member will remain on all their boards in this workspace. They will receive a notification. And there is the check button. This box is basically to remove the members from all boards. What it means exactly is basically you might invite someone to the workspace and they could have the access to all boards. But if someone is invited exclusively inside a board, then you can kick them out of the workspace, but they will still have the access to the specific board. That's just in case you wanted to do so for whatever reason. So these are the ways that you can invite, add, remove, and adjust the permissions of any members in your Trello account. So that was pretty much it. It is easy, nothing much complicated about it. So in case you had any problem or issue, just make sure to watch the video again and you will find the solution for that specific mistake that you have done. Focus on the video and you will find yourself basically inviting all your friends and all your team, co-workers and more fluently. Again, you could speed it up simply by having the link. And basically the link, as you can see here, the premium version is gonna be basically just giving you the observer, which is like adding people with limited permissions to this board. So like observer is basically just someone who can take a look but doesn't have the access to edit, to move, to delete, to change, and so go on. And yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. So let me know down below in the comment section how you made it happen. If you had any mistake or problem or even a bug or issue, make sure to mention it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer all of your questions and issues. Also, if there is any more topics or basically things that you want us to talk about in the near future, in the future videos, make sure to mention them in the comment section. We'll make our best to revise and read all your comments. So thank you guys a lot for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.